With fresh designs and incredible toughness, Klein Tools are made to boost how well and how accurately you work. Whether you're working on a construction site or just fixing things up at home, Klein Tools are built to make your job easier. So let's take a look at some new must-have Klein Tools you should own. When you need to check and map coaxial cables, the Klein Tools Coax Explorer 2 is the perfect choice for accuracy and ease. This small tester fits right in your pocket, but is packed with powerful features. With just a push of a button, you can quickly follow wires and check the cable's condition. The LED display clearly shows if the cable is good, open, or shorted, making it simple to spot any problems. The tester comes with a red remote, and thanks to color-coded push-on remotes, you can test and map as many as 4 cables at once. It runs on 2 replaceable AAA batteries and includes a handy clip to carry it around easily. Whether you are fixing issues or setting up new cables, the Coax Explorer 2 delivers clear and dependable results, making cable work much simpler. For spot-on precision when tracing circuits, the Advanced Circuit Tracer Kit is a must-have for professionals. This kit makes it easy to find both live and dead breakers, fuses, and wires. The transmitter sends out a signal that the receiver picks up through walls, cement blocks, and even underground, thanks to adjustable sensitivity settings. Its versatile design lets you trace wires, conduits, or even single wires tucked inside a bundle. The receiver gives you both sound and visual cues to show how strong the signal is. Plus, it has a built-in flashlight and a no-contact voltage feature for testing live wires. The transmitter also has indicators for both alternating current and direct current voltages across different ranges. It comes with all the accessories you need and a sturdy carrying case for easy storage and transport. This kit is reliable, practical, and an essential tool for any technician or electrician who takes their work seriously. When the work gets tough, the Klein Tools MODbox utility cart is ready to step up. This cart can carry up to 500 pounds and even turns into a handy mobile workbench. It stands 39 inches tall, giving you a higher workspace than most carts out there, so you can work comfortably wherever you are. The strong 6-inch rubber wheels roll smoothly over all kinds of ground, making even rough terrain easy to navigate. On top of that, it's loaded with helpful features like slots for conduits, holes for spool legs, and rails for accessories. This cart is not just for moving tools, it is the perfect partner for any job site. When it comes to staying safe, every breath counts. The P100 half-mask respirator is designed to give you top-level protection, filtering out 99.37% of airborne particles with its NIOSH-approved filter. This is more than just a mask, it acts like a shield in dangerous environments. It has 2 inhalation valves that stop moisture buildup, so the filters last longer and you can breathe clean, dry air. The exhalation valve faces downward to keep air flowing away from your face, making it more comfortable to wear for longer periods. Plus, with the push-in fit check, getting a secure seal is quick and easy. Whether you're working or doing a challenging project at home, the Klein Tools P100 Respirator is the reliable choice for lasting protection. The Klein Tools MODbox Hybrid Toolbox is perfect for anyone who needs a flexible and tough tool storage solution on the move. This is not just any toolbox, it's built for professionals who want both durability and versatility. The lid can be completely removed, turning the box into an open crate that's great for carrying bigger tools or supplies. When you're not using the lid, it can be attached to the bottom so you don't lose it. With its IP64 rating, this toolbox can handle even the toughest conditions, and it can hold up to 75 pounds, which is plenty for heavy gear. For extra organization, it has 2 adjustable dividers and a removable tool tray that you can arrange to fit your needs. When you need to keep tools secure, the steel-reinforced lock spot has you covered. Whether you're working in a shop or out in the field, the MODbox Hybrid Toolbox is the ultimate mobile workstation. For anyone who needs both flexibility and strength in their toolkit, the Klein Tools KNECT system is a real game changer. This impact-rated driver and ratchet set comes with unique adapters that let you switch smoothly between ratcheting hand drivers, pass-through wrenches, and impact drivers. Its slim design makes it easy to work in tight or hard-to-reach spots, while the pass-through extensions help you handle recessed areas and threaded rods without any trouble. The KNECT system not only works with screwdrivers, socket wrenches, and power tools, but also fits older square driver sockets. This clever design opens up endless options for tough jobs and high-torque needs, making it a must-have tool for professionals who want both speed and flexibility packed into one powerful tool set. If you're looking for a strong and flexible storage option, the MODbox drawer boxes are definitely worth checking out. Made from tough, impact-resistant materials, these toolboxes connect easily to help you build a custom mobile workstation that fits exactly what you need. Whether you pick the single, double, or triple drawer versions, each one holds up to 50 pounds and has reinforced bottoms to stop them from sagging. Heavy-duty ball bearing slides let the drawers open and close smoothly, and the steel-reinforced locking latch keeps your tools safe. The locking bar is designed to make carrying simple and folds away neatly when you don't need it. With built-in side rails plus a lid featuring a molded ruler and a V-groove, it is easy to access your tools and take quick measurements. The modular design means you can add on and change things as your collection of tools grows. For storage that is tough, dependable, and adaptable, the MODbox drawer toolboxes are a solid choice. Looking for an inspection tool that really changes the game? The Klein Tools ET16 Borescope for Android devices might be just what you need. This slim, compact gadget connects easily to your Android phone using OTG version 4.0 or higher, so you do not need bulky screens or batteries. It has an IP67 waterproof rating and extends 10 feet, making it tough enough for the hardest inspections. 6 adjustable LED lights brighten up dark areas, making it great for looking inside engines, walls, or machines. The ET16 includes a Type-C connector and a mini USB adapter, so you can connect it in different ways. You can also take, save, and share photos and videos right from your phone, making it simple to document and share what you find. Whether you work professionally or enjoy do-it-yourself projects, the ET16 is built to make inspections quicker and easier. Meet the Klein Tools NCVT3 Non-Contact Voltage Tester, a tool every electrician and do-it-yourself fan should have. This handy volt pen can detect alternating current voltage ranging from 12 to 1000 volts, giving you both visual and sound alerts so you do not miss any live wires. Its bright flashlight lights up your work area and can be used on its own, while the LED bar graph shows voltage levels, with more lights meaning higher voltage or closer distance to the source. The built-in sound indicator beeps faster the closer you get to the voltage, making it easy to find. Designed to be tough, this tester is dust-proof, waterproof, and drop-resistant, ready to handle rough job sites. Its small size and pocket clip mean it's always easy to carry and within reach. You can count on Klein Tools to help you stay safe and work efficiently with every electrical job. Unlock a new way to inspect with the Klein Tools Utility Borescope ET17. It features a bright 4.3-inch color LCD screen with amazing resolution and a 3x zoom, giving you clear images and videos. Its screen rotates 180 degrees so you can get just the right angle. Its 10-foot flexible nylon cable comes with magnet, hook, and mirror attachments to help you reach tight spaces easily. The 5.5mm waterproof camera has adjustable LED lights with 4 brightness levels, so you can see clearly even in dark or wet places. It also includes a built-in clock and calendar, video and photo recording, and a USB connection for simple file transfer. With up to 3 hours of battery life, this Borescope is ready for long jobs. For professional inspection and diagnosis, the Klein Tools Utility Borescope ET17 is a tool you'll rely on. And that wraps up our look at the coolest Klein tools that stand out above the rest. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends and coworkers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this delivered straight to your feed.